Welcome back to this new video tutorial. Today I am going to show you how we can write the math equation in Microsoft Excel. As you see in the screen, I have written these two equations here. To write this kind of equation, first of all click on the Insert tab, then here click on Symbols, then click on Equation. This will open a equation tab here. In this equation tab, you will see different tools related with writing the equation. By clicking on this equation, you can insert here pre-built equations. Like here you see different equations are given. By clicking on it, this will be inserted. To write a custom equation, you have to again click on the Insert tab, Symbols, then click on this equation. Then here you have a tool that is Inc equation. So click on this Inc equation. Now it will open math input control window. To write the equation, click on this pen option. Then here start writing your equation. By using the mouse control, you can write it like this. Then here I am writing a minus b square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus then v square. In this way we can write the equation here. Then after writing this, here you see the equation is given here. You can click on the Insert button, then the equation will be inserted here. You can increase the font size by going to Home tab, then click on this Increase Font option. Now the equation is inserted. So in this way you can write any custom equation by using the Inc equation tool. So this is the way of writing the math equation in Microsoft Excel. And this was for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. We will again meet on next video tutorial.